Are you looking for versatile heavy-duty hydraulic pumps with the lowest cost per operating hour on the market? Discover the MD30 and MD50 series gear pumps from Metal Hydraulic Pumps. Engineered to meet the most demanding applications in heavy equipment, commercial vehicles, and agricultural implements, these high-performance pumps are widely used across mining, construction, forestry, agricultural, and highway machinery. Versatility is one of our main advantages. Choose from multiple shaft and mounting flange options for a seamless fit into your system. Additionally, both series operate at a maximum continuous working pressure of 175 bar, delivering reliable power across any operating condition. The MD30 series offers displacements ranging from 0.99 to 3.94 cubic inches per revolution, with drive shaft diameters up to 1 inch. The MD50 series delivers higher flow rates with displacements from 1.28 to 6.38 cubic inches per revolution and heavy-duty shaft options up to 1.25 inches, engineered to handle higher input torque. In short, while the MD30 is ideal for medium-duty, lower torque applications, the MD50 is built for heavy-duty, high-demand workloads. Upgraded with bronze thrust plates and PTFE coatings, these pumps significantly improve wear resistance, service life, and overall mechanical efficiency. At Metal, we oversee every step of the manufacturing process, from high-precision CNC machining to final quality testing, ensuring the durability and reliability your fleet demands. Metal Hydraulic Pumps, the lowest cost per operating hour in the industry. Also see the full MD line, 20, 315, 330, 350, and 365.